The FleetPlow MD-12 solves the problem of clearing snow from truck fleets safely in less than 30 seconds. Designed so it can be self-assembled, the MD-12 saves you installation costs and allows you to schedule the project when your team is available. Installation is straightforward following our step-by-step instructions. Assembly requires as few as 2 people, can be completed in one day, and requires only standard tools and a forklift. All of the FleetPlow components arrive on 2 pallets. 2 industrial steel frames, one on each side of the machine, form the base. Most connections are made with half-inch nuts and bolts using a handheld impact driver and torque wrench. The outrigger triangle is pushed into place to increase stability, and the wheel jacks are added for portability. The hoist is added to the cross member. Then, the vertical sides and top section are formed in the same manner as the side supports. Using a forklift, the top sections are stacked, secured, and lowered into place. The plow assembly is lifted into position and connected to the hoist. Finally, the control box, battery, plug-and-play handheld control, and concrete ballasts are added. The FleetPlow MD-12 is now fully assembled. Because it's portable, the machine can be moved where and when it's needed. Installing the FleetPlow will have you clearing 12 inches of snow from your trucks in less than 30 seconds. Order today and take control of your fleet during winter.